Yo, waze wayenza indaba uMusa Khawula. Hayi uMusa Khawula shame uyenzile indaba. I feel so bad. I honestly feel so bad for DJ Zinhle. As uZinhle, when I look at her, she seems to be more of like a people pleaser. Yeah, but if you listen to her content, if you just check the way she responds to issues, if you... uZinhle to me strikes me as a people pleaser. Like, she respects her fans, she cares about what they say. Like, she always wants to be on the right path of Abantu. You understand what I'm saying? And then now with all this exposure that's happening with regards to Indoda Kumeda Bongs, it's a lot for her to take. It's a lot for her to take. It's embarrassing her at the same time. Mara, also, emotionally, you can see that she's not okay, Shame. You can see that she's not okay. And then on top of that, Abantu now, they are coming with proof after proof after proof. Woo! Like, yo, I just feel for DJ Zinhle. I just feel she doesn't deserve this. And the worst part is when people now start highlighting her age, start highlighting zonke lezinto which seem to be making this university girl or labantu ajola nabo, this guy, as if they are better than uZinhle. Come on. That's just plain disrespect on its own. I mean, Zinhle wasn't going to stay 21 or 24 for the rest of her life. Obviously, she's going to age with time. And there's absolutely nothing wrong with that. But the way people are now saying it in her comment section, as if aging is a bad thing, or as if, vele, you must be cheated on because you've aged. Hello. Yeah, I just feel so bad. I feel bad and sad at the same time for Zinhle. I just wish this was something that we could just blow and it disappears. Hey, because abanye benu at least niyazama ukumsupporta nithi siyazi wena Skoni, siyazi wena, and impela siyazi uZinhle, siyazi uZinhle, that is not even a joke. Mara nani loko nitlatsa evidence, this evidence yini? Are we in court lana? Hey, give uZinhle a break, bandla, give uZinhle a break.
Yes, I'm exhausted. Like, I've actually been trying to ignore all the stuff that's been happening on social media, the disrespect that comes with it. But let me tell you, nothing hit me harder than someone calling my husband Inja. That one, I don't know if I'm going to recover from that one. And then to justify what they said, they then said I said I was hurt, or I didn't deny the allegations, and I said I was hurt and letting go. What? I think the thing that punished me the most about that statement was because I know the lady. I talk to her quite often on DM sometimes. I've bought from her business. So she could have reached out to me if she was concerned. But she went straight to TikTok to call my husband Inja. Hi guys, you guys are doing a lot. Let me tell you. You guys are brave.